Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very fine, ma'am. Can you introduce yourself on super courses?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Chandrakala Pandey and I am from Chennai. I have all about 16 years of experience. 6.5 years of experience in research.
Okay.
There I published two national and two international paper. Along with that, I was doing PhD.
Wow.
After that, I shifted my profession and I came in teaching line. Here I have 9+ years of experience, and I'm very happy to join as a super course as an instructor.
Good. Welcome, ma'am, on
Thank you,
this
sir.
very, very great platform. And you have some queries about the super courses platform. You can ask me anything.
Yeah, sir. I have two, three questions, sir.
Okay.
Can you tell me, sir, what are the key factors for making that online course effective? Because in market, lot of online courses are there, in compared to that, they are very big platforms. So where our platform will stand?
Good. I'm not speaking about competitions, but I am sure that whatever I have created this platform, this is created only for masses actually, for the rural India. I'm targeting all the rural India because I'm requesting all the teachers to keep it the fees as low as 1,000 rupees for the complete 1 year course for any subject. That is my request, not the insistence. So teacher are taking my request, and we are taking this course to all across India, to the rural India where the paying capacity of the parents is low. So this is the first factor of cost effectiveness, affordability, and the technology is very simple. The technology, I am training all the teachers. I have already trained 1,000 plus teachers how to use this technology. I'm making the teacher self-sufficient so that they can complete their own course. They can edit their own course by themselves, and they can upload here. You can use Filmora, you can use KineMaster, you can use, there are so many softwares available which can be used over phone itself. So by the use of that phone technology, you don't need to invest anything apart from only a mic and a whiteboard in your home, and you can start uploading your course on super courses. That's the beauty of the super courses.
Thank you very much, sir. My second question for regarding the technology only, you already explained. My third question is, how do you ensure the quality of online courses, sir?
That's a great question, ma'am. Because we are working on a decentralized network. Because I'm not asking any teachers to come on our or to our office to Kolkata, because not possible for us. So we have made a decentralized creation of the course. I'm enabling all the teachers how to do the technology, how to use the technology, how to edit the technology. Everything is done by the teacher itself. I'm just helping them for training purpose only, and the content quality is the responsibility of the teacher on super courses, because they are all responsible teachers, they are all experienced teachers. We are all taking 5 years, 10 years, 20 years experienced teachers, because they know the content. I am not a perfect person to vouch for all the subjects or for all the boards. That's not possible for me. So it is up to the teacher to upload the quality video. If the quality video is not uploaded, we will receive bad reviews from the students. Actually, there is a option of 5-star rating given there in the software. If a teacher receives regularly bad review or a 3-star rating, below 3-star rating, then we will discuss with the teacher to upgrade the content. If it is not upgraded or updated, then we will remove that teacher from the super courses list.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. My last question is, sir, what kind of support do you offer to the students?
What kind of support do you think actually? Because we are giving the support in terms of affordability of the material. The course is available very affordable rate, and it is very user friendly. It can be seen on mobile, it can be seen on PC and laptop, and I'm just offering that content to the student in a simple way, in a simple technology. So, but I would always recommend it to be used through laptop or PC. Students should not read 2-3 hours on mobile, otherwise it will hamper their vision. So this is all. What else do you think of students' inability? What do you think actually?
In regarding support, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am. What else do you want?
Actually, yeah. Actually, sir, the big platforms are there. They have the big kind of investment they have to do it. First thing. Second thing, they have to bound and wait for the next video or the next content. So in our super courses, this is very good that we are just launching a slot, means full course we are launching, so they won't have to wait for that.
Yes.
That's why I am. It's my doubt that in other platforms they have to wait for the whole year. Here we are not allowing the student to wait. Just they have to download and they have to read the things and
Yes,
all.
yes, ma'am.
The support is in. I am asking the support in kind of economically, sir.
Economically, it is affordable because the course is available as 990 rupees. Maximum courses are available below 1000 rupees for the whole year. So this is the best part of our portal.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It's my pleasure to join with you, sir.
Yeah, Chandrakala ma'am, that's great that you, teacher like you, have joined on super courses, and I hope you will get a very successful career here. I think you will get more students here.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.